What's up guys? So today I'm going to be teaching you choreography to my very own remix of Lose You to Love Me by Selena Gomez. Actually, when this song came out, I really loved it. It's like a piano ballad, slower kind of song, but I was like, we need an up-tempo version so we could really dance to it. So I made this. It took me way too long, but if you guys want to support the song, if you like it, you want to dance to it, go check out the links down in the description box below. I have a video of me performing the whole song, playing the piano, the drums, so you can jam out to it. And I'm also putting it up on my SoundCloud page, which I'll put a link below as well. I don't really have any followers yet on SoundCloud, so if you want to support me and follow over there, leave a comment on the song. I would really appreciate it. I read everything over there. And this is like something I'm trying to do more and more of, so if you guys want to see more remixes like this, definitely let me know down in the comments below. And once you finish learning the routine, or if you just want to put your own spin on the choreography or freestyle to it, use the hashtag STEFFRemix in your posts. I'm going to be reposting a bunch of you guys that dance to the song. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with, and we're going to go through it step by step as always. So don't worry, I got you. This is kind of an advanced routine, but we're going to go back over it a lot of times and have some fun together. So if y'all ready, let's get to it. All right, so if you guys are ready for this one, I'm gonna warn you from the beginning, there's not gonna be a whole lot of counts when I'm teaching this. It's a lot of lyrics and a lot of it's like sound effects, because I like chopped up her vocal a lot. So it's gonna make a whole lot of sense once you learn it and then you hear the music, but just so you have a heads up. So we are gonna start on and 8. You're gonna go and 8, and you're gonna roll this up like this. You're gonna hit down on the bass, and then you can step back on your left foot and go love, love. I'm just pulling in and I'm looking at each hand when I do it. Then your left foot's gonna come behind your right. You're gonna go shoop and grab this and pull it shoop, nice and clean. Then she's gonna say love, love again. You're gonna go here, back, and then you're gonna come across your body and pull this through. As this right leg comes through, it's gonna re-step out, and you're gonna go on a diagonal here. And really important when you go on this diagonal, you're gonna look down at your right hand, because from here, we're gonna do a little isolations. You're gonna go wrist, then you're gonna go elbows, then your right shoulder is gonna go boom, and it's gonna knock your head up to here. One more step, and then we'll go back from the top. You're just gonna slide your right foot in and go down. So a couple little like isolations and things in here, but this is all really slow, so it's actually pretty easy. So you're going 7, 8, you hit 1. This is to love, love. You go shoop. She's gonna say it again. To love, love. Pull this through. Then she's gonna say it one more time. To love. So that's what that one's on. Then you're gonna catch the synth, the piano here. It's gonna go dun, 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 dun. So 5 times you're going dun, 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 dun. That's what that's on. Now from here, keep going. We're gonna pas de bourrée with our right foot. That means you're gonna go right, left, right with your feet. Your hands are gonna go ta, ta, ta. So you're literally just making like kind of like a C shape. I'm going here and then across. And then once they get here, I'm just gonna do a wavy thingy. That's the technical term for this move, wavy thingy. Wavy thingy, boom, and come around your head with your right hand. So that timing is here. She's gonna say, lose you to. You're gonna go love me. Now, here's the section I told you there's one part there's where we have counts. This is it. So the counts here are really simple. It's just gonna go 1 and 2 and. So I'm stepping on my left foot first, reach across, 1 and 2 and. Then you're gonna take your knee in, you're gonna go 3 and. So my elbows are hitting in, out. 3 and, then you're gonna go 4 and. Nice and clean on these angles, really sharp. So go 6, 7, just that part. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, here's the challenge section. I got you. So what we're gonna do is pull our feet out. You're gonna go heels on the first one, toes on the second one. So let's get the arms first, because the feet are easy. So you're here. All I'm doing is pulling my right arm out. As I pull it out, I'm gonna flatten my left hand here. Zoop, and then I just go down. So when you do it just like that, ta, ta, it's actually really easy. When we do the heels with it, you're going heels. So think of as you pull this, your heels go out, heels, toes. Then you're just gonna come over here and make this box. Then you're gonna flip the box. Then you're gonna bring this in. Then you're gonna flip it down. Then you're gonna push it out. Then you're gonna pull it in together. So one more time slowly, nice and chill. You just from here, let's put this together. You go 7, 8, you hit 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and this is 5 and 6. I turn my knee in on this, and all this is a box here, right? Box. I'm just switching the box, and as I do, I turn my knee with it. Whoop. Then I'm just going into meet. I fold this down. I push both hands out to the front, and then I pull this in here. Good, a little bit more, and then we'll go back and practice it some more. You're gonna take your left heel out. You're just gonna look left, whoop. Look right, right heel goes out. Then you're gonna pas de bourrée again. This time your hands are gonna go di, di, da. So I'm just going right and left. Di, di, da. It's nice and quick. Then you're gonna roll your hands back towards your body. And this is, all I'm doing is literally rolling towards my body, towards my body, towards my body. And when you put them together, you get this like, it looks almost like a fan. Then I'm gonna slide this through. I'm gonna press down. Now I'm gonna hit my right hand to my left foot, top, and I'm gonna come up and 8. And that's more than half the choreography, and definitely the hardest part is this tutting section. So let's go back from the top. We'll do all that slowly, make sure you have it, and then you can run that a few times until you get it. Remember that this style, if you're not used to, maybe this is the first time you've ever done angles like this, so it feels really foreign. But what's gonna happen is after you learn this, anytime you have tutting or these pictures in another routine, in an audition, you're gonna be familiar with it, and it's really gonna help you pick up the choreography. So if it's a little bit of struggle now, it's gonna be it's gonna be well worth it. It's gonna pay off for you putting in that work now and learning something new that's unfamiliar to your body. So let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. To love, love, shoom. To love, love, to love. Dun, 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 dun. And here, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 E and 3 E and a 4 E and a 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yo, all right. So now you have that part nice and clean. If you need to go back and practice it a couple times, I'm gonna keep going on into the chorus, and this is where we get all those chopped up lyrics. So the first rhythm is gonna be boom, I love, love. Boom, di, 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 da, da, da. That's your rhythm. So you did tat, tat. You're gonna hit down. Boom, slide to the right because you're gonna go di, di, di. Right and right, ta, ta, ta. Then you're gonna bring your right hand to your heart. Little like moment. You're gonna go love, love. Knocking down. I'm kind of hitting my chest in as I drop down. She said, di, 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 I love, love. Then you're gonna snake to the front with your head. You're gonna pull this through. You're gonna go shoot, a little releve there. She's gonna say love again, love, and you're gonna push that one. So all I'm doing with my feet is just right, left, a little slide, slide with a lean. This first one goes around, and then it's gonna push this one, and then it's gonna come into here. She's gonna say, lose me, lose me. You're gonna hit your chest down, so really breathe this in so you can go bop, bop. So it's gonna go lose me, lose me. That one doubles. So let's get this whole rhythm from the top of this new section, right? 7, 8, it goes boom, dit, dit, dit. I love, love, yeah. Lose me, lose me. So again, it's not on like easy count. So if you hear the song a few times and you start to memorize that rhythm, then it's like, oh, it's second nature. But at first, those noises sound crazy, right? So really listen to the music. What we're doing out of here, after we hit this, boom, boom, is you just falling back on your left foot. You're gonna go left, right, left. And I just do like a couple little jump rope, you and ha. Then I'm gonna pull right shoulder back, left back, look to the front and pull in. It's gonna go boom, pop, boom, pop, boom, pop. So you wanna make these nice and clean. Notice how I'm not just letting my arms flail. It's actually and stop, and stop, and stop. Then it's gonna go it, right, left, right, I'm dropping down. It. Then there's gonna be a brka. I'm gonna go brka. So my hands are just doing like a little brka and grabbing brka. All right, let's do that whole section up to here. You guys are almost to the end. You're killing it, I'm sure. 5, 6, 7, and boom. I love, love. Yeah. Boom, bum, boom, bum. doom, doom, ta, goom, ka, goom, ka, goom, ka. Tit, 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 brah. Good, last part. And this is probably the easiest part of the whole dance. So now you get to have some fun. Brah, just grooves. You're going here to the left, over to the right. Then you're gonna scoop that left foot. You're gonna go whoom, ha. You're gonna go groove, groove. Then you're gonna pull this back, ooh. You're gonna do a little, this kind of reminds me of like the Old Town Road grooves a little bit that I did, like a little country groove for a second. You're gonna go here and here. So all I'm doing is going, she says, I think it's lose me, lose me. So you're catching this ooh in, and then you swing it around, ooh. Then you're just gonna, bounce. You're gonna step out on your left and go whoop, like this. You're gonna slide to the left and go ooh. You're gonna slide to the right and go stop. So this goes, boom, ooh. Last rhythm, you're gonna go ka, ka, ka. So it's out one and then in twice. In. And then we just added this part at the end for fun, but I don't know why it's so fun. It's literally the most fun part of the dance, which is ridiculous because it's not even dancing, but you go, goom, and I'll put these like clock sounds in there. So you're literally just gonna go, goom, and then if you're doing it with a partner, you can like transition here. You go literally just go, goom, 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 or we did goom, goom, and then we changed goom, 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 goom. And then when it switches to this like up-tempo beat that I put in, like a house beat, you're gonna just push back with that right leg and your right hand. And that's it, whole combo. Yo, it's a real one. It's a real one. Let's go from the chorus and then we'll put the whole thing together, yeah? So the chorus is boom, da-da-da, catch in there, ready? 5, 6, and 8, boom, da-da-da. I love, yeah. Shoot, lose me. Doom, doom, ta, and got. Dit, brah. Love, scoop, catch. Pull, lose me, shoot. You love, ka. And then right into the clock. Bow, 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 boom, I love, party, freestyle, kill it. Yo, all right, that's the whole thing, you guys. Like I said, this is not the easiest piece. I wanted to challenge y'all a little bit. It's been a while since I've been posting regular tutorials, so we gotta level up. Let's go from the top. I got you, nice and slow, and then we'll do a little quicker so you can go over, try with the music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, to love, shoom, to love, to love. D, got, ta, ha, love me. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and dee zoom. 6, 7, ta, boom, I love, hey, lose me, shoom, doom, ta, goom, ga, di, love, hand, ha, woom, boom, lose me, shoom, you love, ka, goom, bah, freestyle, yeah. Yo, so you guys know the deal. That's like a 75% speed. We gotta go a little faster, but feel free to practice this one a couple times. Make sure you kind of have the vibe, but don't hold yourself back. If you feel like, okay, I'm kind of getting it, come on, let's go to the fast one, full speed. Here you go. From the top, deep breath. We go, 5, 6, 7, boom, love, shoot, to love, D, got, love me. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 6, ta, boom, diggy, ha, woom, hey, so lose me, ha, hey, zoom, goom, got, woom, ba, get, love, and ha, woom, boom, lose me, shoom, goom, got, da, doom, ba. Yo, if you danced it full out, which I didn't even dance it full out, but I was talking, so that like kind of evens full out, and I'm still out of breath. Make sure you guys really go for it. Push on this. If the tutting section is hard, good. That means this is an opportunity for you to do something new that you're not used to level up. I can't wait to see your dances. this choreograph your own stuff to the song. I'm really, really excited to see how you guys hear the music and take your own interpretation of it and put it into dance. So good luck with the choreo. I love y'all, and I'll see you back here for another video soon.